Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Honda Civic key. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR1616 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This helps prevent losing small parts and ensures you can see clearly. Also, consider wrapping your screwdriver tip with tape to avoid scratching the key fob's plastic casing. This simple preparation makes the process much smoother. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this notch. Apply gentle pressure and carefully twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the fob begin to separate. Work slowly around the seam to avoid damaging the plastic clips. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a photo of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old CR1616 battery. Now, insert your new CR1616 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them click securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons lock, unlock, trunk, and panic to ensure they are working correctly. This confirms your new battery is installed properly and the fob is fully functional. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.